In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted objects from a video in CapCut on PC, step by step, so you can clean up your footage fast without needing advanced editing skills. This is a really useful trick if you want to get rid of random people in the background, distracting items, or anything else that takes away from your video. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and make sure your project is already loaded. From there, go down to your timeline and click on the clip that contains the object you want to remove. This step is important because CapCut needs to know exactly which clip you want to edit. Once the clip is selected, look at the top menu and navigate to Video, then open AI Tools on PC. This is where CapCut keeps its smart editing features, including the tool you need for object removal. After you're inside AI Tools, find the Quick Brush option. This brush lets you highlight the object you want CapCut to erase from the video. Before you start painting, adjust the brush size so it matches the object you're removing. If the object is small, use a smaller brush for more control. If it's larger, increase the size so you can cover it more efficiently. Now carefully brush over the unwanted object on the video. Try to cover the full object as accurately as possible, but don't worry if it's not perfect right away. The goal is to mark the area clearly so CapCut knows what to remove. Once the object is fully selected, click Remove. At this point, CapCut will begin processing the clip and fill in the space where the object used to be. Depending on the complexity of the background and the length of the clip, this may take a moment, so give it a little time to finish. When it's done, play the video back and check the result. If needed, you can go back and fine-tune the selection, especially if part of the object is still visible or if the background needs a little adjustment. This is one of the easiest ways to clean up your videos in CapCut on PC and make them look much more polished. It's perfect for creators who want a faster workflow without using complicated software. And that's it. You now know how to remove unwanted objects from video in CapCut on PC. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.